What is that, Toby?
Saba, I did it!
You did it! Let's close it.
I did it!
Great job, Toby. You opened the ketchup?
I did it!
What's that called? What is that? What's that?
Shabops.
Ketchup?
Yeah.
Can you say ketchup?
Shabops. Shabops. I should make shabops. Here. Here. Apple. I did it. Let's go. A pit. So good.
What do you want to eat, Toby? Toby, what do you want to eat for dinner?
Santa
Santa Claus?
No, the snowman.
Snowman?
We can take a course.
What does Santa Claus say?
Ho, ho.
What's an alligator say? What does a lion say?
Boy.
What does an elephant say? That's a quiet elephant.